Hello and welcome to the tutorial series for sfirionBIM. In this video we will show you how to manage, create, or review daily reports. When you share a project with other participants, you need to assign them a role that affects the rights and capabilities regarding daily reports. Select Contractor for construction companies to submit reports. Select Planner if you want to have the planning process reported beforehand. These two roles differ primarily in the available choices of qualifications when adding personnel on the report. If you specify the owner or supervision role, then this gives the right to review and confirm receiving. Clicking on Daily Reports takes you to the overview with Calendar. Here, days for which reports already exist are marked in blue. You can also view lists for the open or rejected reports. Click on a day in the calendar to view the reports for that day. Let's take a quick look at the report. Here you can view the full report including header data and resources used. You can also see the signatures of the creator and the person who countersigned the report, including the date and email address. Now let's create a new report. We click on the next day and select New Report. The first thing we can do is specify who we want the report to be automatically emailed to once we save it. You can separate multiple email addresses with a comma. Furthermore, you can specify Project Manager and Site Manager and set the weather including minimum and maximum temperature. Next, we add workers. In this case, we select 4 skilled workers from the company example construction, who have worked 9 hours productively. In addition, we have these workers supported by 4 unskilled workers. In addition, we add an excavator from the same company. For a proper report, we need to specify what work has been performed. If a schedule has been added to the project during 4D planning, you can reference the information to an activity in the schedule. Otherwise, leave the reference selection blank and simply describe what was done. Furthermore, you can document obstructions, special events, and work changes. Finally, we add a photo. If you have not yet loaded the photo into the app and, if applicable, located it in the model, you can still load the photo from your gallery now. Finally, we click Save to Store and send the report. For this we will be prompted to sign the report with our finger or the mouse. Now we change to the supervision perspective. Now the owner or the supervision can check the report and reject it if necessary. If you select Reject, you will be asked to give a reason so that the report creator knows what does not fit. If the report is okay, select Confirm. Here the reviewer is also prompted to sign the report using his finger or the mouse. Let's take a look at the resulting PDF. Here you can see all the information and signatures in print-ready layout. Thank you for using sfirionBIM. For more information visit our website www.sfirion.de/bim.